Bernice, who that into me? What Sister Bernice hop into me almond tree again? She cannot chop out and broke her backside. Hi Sister Bernice, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year,
How
Sister
you do?
Pashan. Me good, sister.
What a way you hop into the almond tree, you does not afraid mind you drop out?
No, sir. Hey, look how much time me climb up in that tree.
There's a lot of almonds you got there though. Yes. Is you the plant the tree?
No, you planting.
Oh, it's me they do it now. Oh, sorry about that. Little most I forget, you know. You see true, you always living up in
Oh,
there.
she come with it.
Yes.
You don't have no sugar around
Huh?
there? You don't have any sugar?
Oh no, I just finished drink the last of it in a tall glass of lemonade, you know. Sorry about that.
So you don't have no salt then, like how sugar done?
I think I'm gonna have about 7 grain of salt, you know, and I just sprinkle it on a little pear and heat with some
then,
butter.
Sister Pashan, you
If I
have
didn't
pear
know-
and not tell me. Me can't get a slice.
Tell me something, you does not got high cholesterol anymore?
No, sir, pear not trouble me cholesterol.
Oh no, it's not that, you know. I was wondering it's not about 10 years now you have it.
Yes, about that.
So how it takes so long for something to happen to you?
Something like what, Sister Pashan?
Oh, you know, anything that high cholesterol cause.
Like heart attack and stroke? You want me dead?
No, I'm not wishing any death on you, Sister Bernie. Come on, shame on you, man.
I
Maybe
rebuke that.
cannot walk again, but certainly
Don't
not
call down no
dead.
sickness for me. Don't call down no sickness
Sister
for me.
Bernice, if I could have called down sickness for you, I wouldn't wait whole 10 years before me do it. I would have do it from the second time you go up into me almond tree.